So to move an image in Photoshop, we use the Move tool, which is over here on the top left-hand corner of the toolbar. Make sure that you have the image layer that you want to work with selected on the right-hand side, blue, and then you can just click and move whatever is on that layer. Then you can also go into the Edit menu and Transform. In here, you're able to rotate the pictures around. You can also flip them horizontally, and you can also flip them vertically. You also have the scaling and skewing and rotating, these distorting ones. These allow you to start messing with the picture a little bit. When the grid comes up, you can then start dragging the various handles, as we call these little dots, and do various effects onto your picture. And when you're happy with any effects you might have done, you click back onto the Move tool and apply the transformation, and that will keep whatever you have done to it.